Dan Adkins was an influential American illustrator known for his work in comic books and science fiction magazine. Born on 15 March 1937 in West Virginia, Atkins' artistic journey began in the post war era, a time ripe with innovation and creative exploration in American pop culture. Atkins' early life was marked by a strong interest in drawing, a passion that would eventually propel him into the world of professional illustration. After serving in the United States Air Force, where he contributed to various military publications, Atkins moved to New York City to pursue a career in art. His initial foray into the industry was through fanzines, a mature publication created by and for science fiction aesthetic. This early exposure helped him build connection with other budding artists and writers in the genre. His big break came when he began working with Bollywood, a legendary figure in comic books history. Under Wood's mentorship, Atkins honed his skill and garnered valuable experience. Wood's influence on Atkins was profound, shaping his techniques and professional approach. This period was circle for Atkins as he absorbed the intricate of comic book art and storytelling. Atkins' formal entry into the comic book industry was marked by his work for Marvel Comics in the 1960s. He made significant contributions to variety of titles including Doctor Strange, X-Men and Submariner. Atkins was known for his clean, precise inking style, which added a distinctive clarity and depth to the pencil of artists like Gil Kane, Gane Collin, and John Bascom. His work on Doctor Strange, in particular, is celebrated for its surreal and intricate line work, which perfectly complemented the mystical and otherworldly themes of the series. In addition to his work for Marvel, Atkins also contributed to DC Comics, where he worked on titles such as Aquaman and Detective Comics. His versatility as an artist allowed him to adapt it to the varying style and themes of different series. Whether it was the underwater adventure of Aquaman or the dark, brooding world of Batman. Beyond comics books, Atkin was also a prolific illustrator for science fiction magazine, notably contributing to amazing stories and fantastic stories. His cover and interior illustrations were instrumental in bringing the imaginative worlds of these stories of life, capturing the essence of the genre with his detailed and dynamic artwork. One of the distinctive features of Atkins' career was his ability to balance commercial success with creative integrity. He managed to stay true of his artistic vision while working within the often restrictive confines of mainstream comic books and magazines publishing. This balance earned him the respect and admiration of his peers and fan likes. In the latter years of his career, Atkins continued to work prodigally in the comics and illustration, mentoring younger artists and occasionally contributing to various projects. His legacy is not only in the vast body of work he left behind but also in the influence he had on subsequent generation of comic books artists. Dan Atkin passed away on 3rd May 2013, leaving behind a rich legacy that continues to inspire and influence the world comic books and scene fiction. His illustration, his work remains a testament to the power of imagination and the enduring appeal of visual storytelling. Through his meticulous craftsmanship and innovative approach, Atkins has secured his place as a significant figure in the history of American illustration. Viewers, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video your family and friends and all members. Thank you.